l'ultima grande piana di marea del Triassico, delle Dolomiti possiamo dire. La fine della storia del Triassico è...
Here is the result of the last ancient tidal flat of the Triassic in the Dolomites area, the Dolomia Principale, literally the main dolostone. As much as in the entire calcareous Alps, here the final history of the Triassic is almost uneventful. This huge tidal flat was an exceptionally wide and very shallow sea in a hot and arid climate. This heated up the water and increased its salinity, making life very difficult. The Dolomia Principale frequently shows structures called stromatolites, originated by blue-green algae called cyanobacteria, which are among the oldest known organisms. Appearing as plano-parallel wavy laminations, the ancient stromatolites consist of the sediments once trapped by the algal film, which could not be preserved.
Più o meno piano-parallele, più o meno ondulate, che sono legate appunto alla presenza di questi.
Today, these algae and their peculiar structures only grow in a few places: the Bahamas Islands, the inner Persian Gulf, and Shark Bay in Australia.
I fossili che troviamo in questo ambiente sono, abbiamo detto...
This formation can be up to 1 kilometer thick, and yet its fossils are scarce due to the original harsh platform environment. When present, they're normally gathered in beds.
Incredibili, ma i fossili sono pochi. Predominano questi...
These large lamellibranch bivalves, called megalodons, are predominant here, but their shell is rarely preserved. We can often observe internal and external molds separated by a void that formed in place of the dissolved shell. The internal mold consists of sediments filling the shell, while the external one is the outer form of the shell printed in the surrounding sediments. Dissolution is a consequence of dolomitization, the process which transformed the original calcareous rock into dolomite.
Quindi se noi togliamo il modello interno, poi abbiamo comunque l'impronta dell'aspetto esterno, ma normalmente troviamo questi nuclei di...
The same process could also be responsible for the destruction of smaller organisms, accounting for the fossil sparsity throughout the unit.
Gli organismi più piccoli, i resti di organismi più piccoli.